What's good, YouTube? It's YT Bro here, tech profile. Sorry about my voice. Like I said in my other video, surgery, waiting for my voice to come back. So, let's get started with the deck profile. It's windups. So, the best card in the fucking deck, hands down. Rabbit. It's impossible to get rid of him. This is the reason I play windups, this card. I just love this card so fucking much. So, this is the whole reason. And, like, windups are good. Haha. Triple rat. Triple shark. And then triple magician. And you have to play triple magician. Just because. Sorry, I'm on Facebook. I'm just reading about these people cutting their wrists over Justin Bieber smoking pot, so it's kind of funny. Fucking retards. You gotta play triple magician. Magician's just fucking crucial. Shock lock. Dweller, Up.dek, etc. And the downside is drawing too many magicians. You only want one fucking magician. So that's the windups, and then of course, tour guide Sangan. Never are you tour guiding for the Sangan unless you have a dead card. Like, yeah, because you just don't do that. I don't know why, you just don't. But yeah, you tour guide for Bo. Sangan just search for stuff. And then, double T King and, Reaper. And this deck is a little bit about stalling until you get your combo pieces. So, spells, staple spells, of course. And then, the best spell card in the world, Messenger of Peace. Just have a hard on for this card. Basically, shit ton of my wins with this deck just come from Messenger of Peace and multiple wind-up rabbits. So like, Messenger of Peace plus 2 rabbits, 2000 damage every turn. People get angry. Don't even get me started if you have the 3rd rabbit out there. It's just funny. Double space, and then the triple factory, because you want to open rabbit factory as much as possible. Traps, solemn. One force. People don't expect the force. Force is too fucking good to not play. Double solemn. Double chain. No hand traps. Fiendish chain is the shit. Double D prison. Double bottomless. And then double torrential. Because torrential plus wind-up rabbit is just not fair. Extra deck. 1 second. Okay, extra deck. Tiras, Zedmayo. I need to get an Adrius. But I have a rarity horse, so I won't use an Adrius unless it's secret. Utopia. Nobody's playing this anymore. I don't have a black corn, so fuck my life. Stagmaster. I need to get that ultra. But Photon Pap. The best rank 4 Xyz in the world. Dweller, because the OTK with Dweller is dope. Acid Golem for game. Leviathan, because it's Leviathan. Gigabrat, Levier, Soul of Silver, for when you have double rat being banished with double rabbit. You can overlay rabbits and shit. Timothy De La Tebow, Zenmains, and Carrier. Inside deck, Snowman Eater, 1 Maxi. I'm not really a fan of Maxi in this format. I'm also not a fan of Maxi in this deck, because what do you drop a Maxi for? Drop Maxi, you draw into all your combo pieces that you need to bring out of the deck, and then you fucked yourself. The third space, double Soul Taker. I love Soul Taker. I recently took it out of the main deck, but I probably might go back in because I like having it sent out to Thunder King. Triple D Fissure, that's obvious. 1 Meteor Force, Transmag. I have this thing, whenever I slide this fucking card in, I draw it no matter what. And I always get it off, it always works for me. Yeah, probably stack. Just kidding. Double Decree and double Dust Tornado. That's my deck. Nothing you haven't seen before. Peace.